video for the day. This is my Partzilla order. So if you what do you call it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, whatever. Leave a comment, it helps. Anyway, this is a Partzilla video. I'm gonna show you what I got at Partzilla. I always see people selling. If you own a Honda, there's the toolbox. I bought myself a brand new tool bag, and apparently Honda still sells the screwdriver handle, which is brand new. They still sell the screwdriver. It goes in it for the bike. They also sell the wrench that goes in it. There's also, where is it? Somewhere. They sell the other wrench that goes in it. Should be one more in here. Maybe there isn't one more in here. So anyway, I think that's it. Anyway, Partzilla sold me all this. So let me take a look at it real quick. Why did I buy it? Because why not? It's brand new. Put it in under the seat and I have a tool thing. This thing right? I don't cut it. Because everybody's always on eBay selling, what do you call it? All of the I sell like original toolkits, factory, old school ones, and they're like 70, 80 bucks. I didn't pay 80 bucks for this stuff at all. So here's that. I do have an original, what do you call it? What I'm about to open here. This is the little screwdriver handle. I actually found it in my house, the screwdriver. There's that, and then there's the so here's the screwdriver. It goes in there. See, it's supposed to go in there. Maybe a lack of quality control. Let's see. Maybe not. So anyway, goes in like that. See, there's a screwdriver. This goes in the bag. See? Tool bag. I think I have all the other pieces too. Here's the wrench, which is pretty cool. Why did I buy it? Just because I'm gonna probably order 3 more bags, one for each bike. I know one bike still has the tool kit in the bike, which is kind of cool. I don't think there's I think it's missing. Here's the wrench. It's just says Kawa Hunter. They're like $3 or $4 bucks. And there's this one. Open up my dull knife here. Another wrench. Put it in the bag here. There's a spark plug thing and something else that I think I'm missing. I'm not sure. Did it come in there? I don't think so. So anyway, got me a new tool bag for the bike. I distinctly don't think these were blue originally. They were originally black. So with that said, you can get a little parts kit going if you stay away from all these people selling Honda. You go on eBay and you look up Honda tools, and you'll find all the tools not as a set, cheaper than the people selling the sets. In fact, I think I see one over there on the wall. So I wasn't paying 80 bucks or something. I think this was less than 30 bucks. If you go on Partzilla, I could be wrong. I know it wasn't 80, it was about 30 or less. And if you add $100 worth of other stuff, you get free shipping. It's like $148 free shipping. So with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and just want to show a little video. Thanks for watching.